everyone, welcome to Liberal Arts Math. This is an online course. I am Professor Cole, and I am very happy to be your professor and instructor for this summer semester. So I'm going to lead you through some important things on Canvas that you'll need to make sure you're aware of. And if you go to our Canvas and you go to the home page, you should see the screen here. And one of the first things that you should do is download the syllabus and course information. It has some important things that you need to be aware of, my contact information, my student engagement hours where you can email me and request a Zoom link, and I will be more than happy to meet with you during those specified times if you have any questions or you need me to go over anything with you. There's really important information about the required materials, which is the My Math Lab Student Access Kit, which you will need to purchase in order to complete the homework and also to do the tests and the final exam. There's some resources here if you ever need any additional help. The Learning Support Center is a great resource, and I listed the summer hours there. And there's some policies about attendance. Even though this is an online class, your attendance will be tracked through completion of your assignments. So there will be various assignments that are due at specific dates during the week, and that is how I will track your attendance and your participation in class. There may be discussions that need to be completed, and also tests, etc. Please be aware that if you are not completing assignments in a timely manner, that I may have to report you as a no-show, which will may result in you being withdrawn from the class, and that can affect your federal financial aid, which you don't want that to happen. Please also be aware that July 1st is the withdrawal deadline for Valencia. And then there's some other important things to go through. So when we're taking tests in here, you will be required to use the HonorLock proctoring service, and I gave all the information and directions for that in the modules, which I'll show you here in a second. You can work on the homework at your own pace. You can even complete lessons at your own pace, and I'll talk more about that as when I get to the modules. I do take late work as far as homework goes, so you'll have to refer to the course schedule for the due dates, but I will allow an assignment to be turned in late, but there is a penalty of 10% for every day that the assignment is not turned in on time. And please keep in mind that additional points may be deducted if you have any mistakes. Your grade will be calculated in the following manner. So there's 5 tests, and they will comprise 50% of your grade. And then there's a comprehensive final exam, so that includes everything from the semester. That's 20%. And homework and or any projects are also 20%, and your attendance is 10%. Attendance, you really have a lot of control over that, so please make every effort to complete assignments on time, again, as I will be tracking your attendance that way weekly. And if you do have any issues, if you become ill or you're unable to complete assignments for any medical reasons, please contact me as quickly as you can so that we can figure out how you can complete the assignments and get credit for the class. Okay, and then if you go to the modules, so let me get out of this. The modules here are going to look slightly different than, I'm using my iPad, so what you see on your computer might be a little bit different, but you're literally going to go to the orientation and you're going to start here and you're going to read through this, and then you're just going to click next, and it's going to take you to, there's me, and a little bit about me. And then there's the course syllabus again. And then here's the course schedule. I'm going to go to that. The course schedule has what we're covering each week. So I also teach this class face-to-face on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And those are the dates that I will be covering specific topics and the due dates that the assignments are due. So your first assignment on my math lab is due on May 12th, and that will cover assignments 2.1 and 2.2 in my math lab, which you will access through Canvas. If you go down a little bit where it says course support, see where it says student registration for Canvas linked to my lab. If you click on that, that gives the information on what you're going to do to register for my lab through Canvas here. You will not need a course ID to register, and the information about that is also on the syllabus. If you have any questions, though, please let me know. There's also information about the Honor Lock, which you will need to install on your computers. Again, that will be used for tests and for the final exam. So if I go back here, just so that you're all aware, the first test will be due on May 23rd. And I don't remember which day I have it opened on, but you have basically about a week to complete the test. So you can complete all of week 1's work and also week 2's work. As you can see at the end of week 2, you get to test number 1. And once you complete the test, you'll have to wait until week 3 in order for that to open up. So think of those as like checkpoints. I don't want anybody to go too quickly through each chapter. I also need to make sure I check in with you because my goal as your instructor is to make sure you're understanding the material and also to be there to assist you. So after you finish test 1, which could be, if you would like, you could finish it within the first week, or you could wait until week number 2 to complete it. However, make sure it's completed by the due date, which will be May 23rd, and it's always due at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. After when you get to week 3, then chapter 3 will open up. So all of my notes are linked to the modules. So in week 1, after you introduce yourself, you're going to go to the chapter 2 notes, which are right here. You can print those. You can upload them to a tablet and write on them. These notes follow along with the videos. So 2.1 set concepts, there's my video for set concepts, and then the next video is for subsets and so on. So I have videos for every one of the lessons. I think that's pretty much everything that I want to cover with all of you. So again, just to recap, please start in the modules, go to the orientation where it says start here, read through everything, and go through each of these modules. Please make sure you introduce yourself. And the date on there says that you need to introduce yourself by Thursday, May 12th. However, I believe I have in Canvas that it needs to be completed by that Sunday, which would be the 15th. Okay, so just please make sure at the very latest that you complete it by then. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. My email is on the syllabus. I, again, welcome you to the class, and I'm looking forward to working with all of you. And I am here to help you be the best that you can be. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day.